Audio's working now. It's back. What's going on, guys? It's, Tuesday morning. I'm taking a look at what stocks are hot. This morning, we've got the big, crazy mover, Francesca's. Francesca's is up over 88% currently. It's up over 88%, where is it going to go? What is it going to do from here? I'm going to take a look at some charts and kind of what's going on and all that fun stuff. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what's going on here. And we'll pull up some charts, have a little bit of fun, talk about what's going on in the stock market today. Is the audio not good? Audio's not good? Is there a problem with the audio? Audio input. Should be good, no? Check. Rode microphone. Audio's good. Can you hear me? Mic check. What the hell? I don't know what it's doing. Where is that? How is that happening? Audio. Mic check again. Anything now? Oh, wait. It wasn't supposed to be a hurricane party. It's supposed to just be DayTrading live show. I'm not sure what's going on with the microphone. Ugh. I just want to stream on YouTube and have a little bit of fun. I don't want to sit here and deal with this thing. What is going on? All right. Screw it. Let's talk about what's going on. All right, so we're taking a look here at FRAN this morning. FARN. Take a look at this thing. It went this morning. It's already moved this morning on positive ER, going from $5 up there to $10. So basically, it's doubled in price. If you were able to buy FRAN this morning before the earnings came out, you would be sitting pretty right now. A bit of a squeeze going on here. I think a lot of this is people basically thinking that FRAN was a beautiful short overall, because look at this daily chart. It's just been nothing but getting murdered for a long time. A long time there. So FRAN this morning making a move. In August was $3. Today up there to $10. Interesting. What else is going on? FRAN really is on top of the list right now. We also got CANF. CANF this morning going up there to $3.30, pulling back down there to $2.80 right now. Interesting move there. I don't get why the audio would be bad. I haven't changed anything on the audio, so I don't really know why the audio would be bad right now. MNK this morning, someone talking about it's moving. It's got a little bit of volume on it. Got 1 million shares. It's up 11%. Looking back over here, CANF. CANF this morning. It's been getting beat down for quite some time now. Talking into a plastic bag. How is that possible? Properties. Microphone. I don't know. I don't get what's going on here. I just don't get it. I haven't changed any settings for my microphone, so I don't know why it would be different right now. It's really weird. Huh. Whatever. CANF this morning up there to 295 right now. This morning, like I said earlier, up there to 330, pulling back down there to 280s now. BB, I have not used the Helix. I have not used the Helix. FRAN up there to $10, pulling back now. Earlier there were shares to short, but it looks like a lot of those shares got taken away now. From $10, you can see pulling back down there to 940. Overall on the daily chart, we had a little bit of resistance here at this $9.90, $10 area. Interesting move, breaking above that $9 resistance. You can see $9 kind of holding it down before and having some trouble there at the $9 area. Now pulling back, obviously, you know, looking a little overextended on the 5-minute chart, so it was expecting some type of pullback there. And FRAN this morning doing something. You can see on the gapper list this morning what's going on, what's hot, what's not. What's going on, what's not going on, and all that. Right here. What stocks are hot, what stocks are not. Not really sure why OBE is up there on the list right now. Really low volume. OBE this morning up 30% so far. Only 29,000 shares traded. So really volume-wise, we got MNK, we've got FRAN, we've got CANF. Not a lot going on in terms of other than FRAN. FRAN really is the big mover of the day. Like I said earlier, basically a lot of shorts getting squeezed on this thing and having some trouble there. So that's audio. Sounds like I took a crap in a bucket and put it on the mic. I don't get it. I just don't get it. How can this change anything? I haven't done anything differently. The fuck? Audio input. Road 3. Let's turn this. I wonder if there's a little knob. Does that sound better? Does that sound better? How's that sound? Does that sound better? Does that sound better right there? I don't get it. I don't get it. One person says it sounds good. Another person says it sounds bad. I don't know. Just like this. How does that sound? FRAN this morning up there to $10. I can't touch the keyboard anymore. FRAN. Can it push through $10? Can it make the move to a higher point here? Looking at the chart, what do we got going on next? Obviously, we got that kind of $11 area there. What was that? That's about $10.80, $11 area. $10.80, $11 there. So old Francesca's coming out with a good earnings report. It's hard to believe, because I don't think this company makes any money, but hey, I guess. I don't know. I go by Francesca's in the thingamage in the mall, and yeah, can't really hear it. What else? CANF this morning, like I said earlier, just kind of sticking around that $3 area. So, interesting. Volume wise, we only got CANF, we've got MNK with some volume there, but not really making move. Somehow I got 1 million shares traded on this thing, but it does not look like 1 million shares have been traded on this thing by any means. Look at these candles. I mean, I guess. I don't know. It's hard to believe. How is there 1 million shares traded here? I'm not even like, where's the volume at? Oh, that candle right there, 300,000 shares traded. FRAN bouncing on that 940 area now, so you can see got a little bit of support kind of at that 950, 940 area right there on FRAN. I think if it can hold that 940 area here to open, if it can hold it all the way to open, we probably get a nice little spike up there above $10. Nice little squeeze. I'm sure a lot of people have been shorting this thing. Obviously, if it does crack below that support area there at that 940, 950 area, if we crack below it, we're expecting some downside, obviously. On the 5-minute chart, you can see kind of just bouncing right now off of that 9 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. And you can see down below where the 20 is. The 20 is down there at $8.60. So FRAN making a big move, but can it hold here? Can it hold? It's up 82% currently. You can see it's on the top of the gapper list this morning. FRAN, CANF. Fran has an ER report. That is the news. What else is moving today? Basically what we're looking at. So FRAN, I don't think I'm going to trade FRAN. I would have liked to have thought about maybe a short opportunity on FRAN at some point today, but there are currently no shares to short. So we'll sit back, we'll wait, we'll watch, we'll see what happens. I'm keeping an eye on a couple of different stocks right now, but if nothing happens, nothing happens. AVEO under $1 this morning, up above $1, back below $1, 91 cents currently. You can see spiking up there to $1.10, pulling back down there to 90 cents, and moving around. Did you know that Bitcoin is now on futures? Yes, I did know that Bitcoin was now on futures. Let's see what happens here. Been looking at Square, huh? Okay. You're probably not seeing the pre-market price, Tristan. Fran is up to $9.40 currently pre-market. And then kind of having some trouble here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this microphone. I don't get it. It was working fine, and now it doesn't work. I don't know. It's bursting. Mic check. Mic check. Mike Checkerson. I don't know. I just don't know anymore what to do with my life. I don't know. I just don't know what happened to my mic now. This is the problem with being a one-man show. There's nobody in the back to listen to the audio to make sure it sounds good. So FRAN having trouble right now at that 940 area we talked about. We need to kind of hold in that area. I think anything below basically where we're at right now, you can see downside to come there. Downside from that 940, 950 area down there to the 860s. So having some trouble right now. Trouble. Trouble for FRAN right now. I don't get it. I just don't get what's going on with the microphone, to be honest. It doesn't make sense. Whatever. Oh, yes. Today we are trading FRAN. FRAN. Yes, I'm using OBS. All right, so take one more look here at the gapper list this morning at FRAN, CANF, OBE. Couple stocks moving around this morning. I don't know what's going on with my microphone, but I'm going to go ahead and get ready to do some trading here. Just wanted to talk about a little game plan, kind of what was going on, what action, show you guys the gapper list, what I'm watching, and all of that fun stuff right here on the undisputed number one day trading channel in the world. So there it is. We'll take a look at what happens later on. I'll talk to you guys. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, all that fun stuff. Let's go.